What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys, my people. I run through that one here quick and fast, meaning me not gonna talk too much. I make the people them do the talking. So it look like say some little vibes are broke when it come to the lion man and the figure it out, and you see me that side there because this girl, yeah, you know what I mean. When you know if she stem it has stem from or it a brew long time and it make it worse through him a data. Me no know. You see me I say me I go watch the same time when you not watch it. See, also my people, we have Shay and Sky Diamond. I go at it in the wickedest way. You see me? And we have some more things where you don't know mystery already. Me can't remember everything off of the top of my head for telling you one time. You see me? I start write them down and I start going to them. So here we go, my people. We're gonna jump right in it because we're not gonna see it in the video anyway. You see me? So maybe we'll add more things also as we go on. So make we get in it.
Oh yeah, trend panic up. Nobody can bring it down in my group, girl. Really? Alright, let me show you say I operate, you know, rate me. You know they go tell me I see same thing too. Say me I bring her down in my group. And me see call me and say me daughter, when me a hear say, yeah, them a bring me down in your group. And me I say, mother, not me like that. Look what daughter you have in the group. Mother turn to me and say, me know say me that bring her down in my group. In your one of your group, then one of my daughter that affiliate me. Fanny, why couldn't you do the same thing when mother do? Why you couldn't do the same thing when mother do? If me and you cool like what we say. All you could do a run go black me. All you could do a run go black me. And when me see what go on the media, although I'm busy, me try to reach out to your private and you block me. When me see Shea go on with our nonsense, me try to reach out to you and say, Vanny, I just check my fucking group and nobody in my group now chat to you. But me realize when me text you block me. Like really? It's like you look a reason. But me hear saying I want next screen recording with Donia say, me hear Donia them I say, like anybody want to have an opinion about me can have an opinion about me. I don't give a fuck. I pay my own bills. I take care of myself. I'm not ask you, princess no shot or nothing. So I don't really give one fuck. Who wanting me ugly, who wanting me cute, who wanting me look like Santa, who wants me look like Jesus, who wants me look like Cinderella, who wants me look like barbz. At the end of the day, look, you realize say, as much as me like live streaming, me have a life, me have to take a DR too. As much as me like the year with my people them, me have a real life. Me have to take a day off or 2 days off. No matter how, yes, me like the mix up and me like in a people business. I have to take a day or 2 for mind my business. So, me don't want a girl and a boy think yesterday no girl of Sky Diamond could come live. I have a life. I mean I go pause cooking. Me dey on live I cook on the green screen Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. You expect me dey on green screen I cook on Sunday? Like what the fuck? Me dey on live with my people every day I chill. Me have to under green screen I cook. Me have to under green screen and clean. Me have to under green screen and wash my pussy. Me have to under green screen and do everything. You think on Sunday as a bad blood clot Jamaican. When me know say you do everything during the week, but Sunday, I when my mother make me know say Sunday are the busy day, Sunday are your day, Sunday I say you think me about come on live on Sunday. For come tell Shay say our jaws stiff and our pussy stink when we can't wait till Monday. Hell fucking no, I have a real life. And I am disappointed in you. Big time. I'm disappointed in you big time. Because for you bluntly say upon your life, say, oh, I'm a black car. Why never text me and say, bitch, why you have them a chat me in your group? Me that feel better. Why never send me a voice note and say, blood class Sky, why you have your people in my chat? Why never do something like that? I'm disappointed in you for true. You know, if I did somebody different from Shay, I could have said no. Maybe she ain't that thing straight. But Shay, where Sky Diamond come bring out video which patient to have sex with her in her pampas, let me stand up for you because Shay you make me put on back this time. Remember me make you stop wearing it. Guys, me just want to ring put it right here soon. Me just want to remember who Sky Diamond is. Shay, remember me make you stop wearing this. Remember you didn't have this weird on the media, having them think you're working, bitch. Remember me clock all the teas for your on TikTok. I soon go back to Vanny. Because Vanny me here saying I cuss me girl, but me not cuss you either. I know I'm disappointed in you and nobody never chatted in my group. Yesterday, the day before you said it, nobody never mentioned you in my group. So, I just make you know say, me expect better from you. I'm not class to Eden. Anyways, let me don't deal with Shay now. Shay, remember me make you stop wear this. Remember you buy this and I trick the entire media. Say I got work, I'm gonna make you stop wear it. Remember, I'm gonna come back again. You want Queenie to put on clothes, I got work. For everybody think you work at the car place. Remember, I'm fresh, your ex-boyfriend work there. Remember, me clap the tea. I make them know so you get fired. No, you come to me. I'm gonna take you one by one. Jabba, your time. Messi one screen recording Jabba with you, Ivany, and who else? And you say you want to lick me, and you want to meet somebody for me. When my brother give me a message for you. He said today is perfect. You sent the message last night, and he would like to meet you today. So you say like you can't see me for lick me, I'm willing to meet you, and you lick him. So Jabba, me send out a message to you, Mr. Jabba. Since you want to lick me, I'm there so far, me there Wonderland. I have a whole heap of family at Jamaica. I have 11 brothers out there who are willing to meet you. You want to meet one today? No problem. But the only problem my brother have is him is not a countryman. Say, nah, come to St. Elizabeth. You have to go meet him at Kingston. Okay? Anyway at Kingston, meet up with your friend them. Meet up with who's whoever you know, I'm not going to meet, but
as I say, my people, I not talk too much. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, because Shay come reveal some mostly WhatsApp message and some bag of things, you know what I mean? I don't know, say Shay is a type of girl where she I go find the file them on people where she in a beef with and she I go expose them, you know what I mean? So make we get in it back, my people.
That is the message I make it feel. You see, you want to meet one of my family or me because you want to lick me? Meet one of my brother and lick them for me. They will take the lick for me. So Jabba, if you're serious about what you said about the panel recording last night, make we end the new year nice. Jabba. Big belly Jabba. Make we give the people them some really entertainment on TikTok. I guess what? From January and now December, be a this we do all of this year. From the year start to all of this we do. I want to help you out. Me think you have to lick one of my brother for me. Me think they deserve a lick. So Jabba, be a man of your word and go to Kingston today. Anywhere Kingston, be a man of your word. I want you to give me my Christmas gift and meet one of my brother. Please. Me go on my knee and beg. Jabba, I got your message last night that you want to hit me so bad, but I'm in Wonderland. But baby, I have 11 brothers in Jamaica and any one of them willing to meet you today. Please, my beg, give me my Christmas gift, and all Sky Diamond need for Christmas is Jabba to meet one of our brother. Give me my Christmas gift, Jabba. Clear that one there. So like you can't link me, baby, we don't clear that. Only for brother they are Jamaica. Alright now, who next? Who next me say come about me? Guys, help me out in the chat. Who next me say come about me? Cheers. Me see you on the comment section I say. You've been waiting for me and Ivany for war, and this gonna be the best series of the year. You're not gonna get that bitch. The time you're in a comment section I laugh, cheese. You don't realize that you're looking worse in a foreign? Cheese, that you look the worst in a foreign. It's just the truth. The time when you're celebrating me and Vanya go war, you go buy some baby clothes. You look like crackhead in a foreign, cheese. You look like a mad, proper mad girl in a foreign. So me don't know, oh, you see me and Vanya business and you don't see you look like a proper madusa in a foreign. You make no girl at Jamaica don't want to come a foreign, cheese. It's just the truth. I'm not coming to argue with nobody this morning. I'm not going to argue with that soul this morning. Cheers. It's the time you take, then 2 years you take and see me and Vanya business. You need to see you look like a proper mad woman in a foreign. You need to see out of all of the girls who used to trend on Instagram, they used to trend on Instagram. Remember when the great vybz kartel come and chat and laugh and a million girls there, you see and give money. Remember, say you're the only trending girl that come from blood clot Instagram where the America live like dog. Every girl where you name war over Instagram, them are on your foot red America. They make it look like you're not try. All of the girl them where you name a beef over the years, they make it look like poor thing. I never hear about no girl. Me never hear about no girl we get put out of, we call it capture house. They are the only used to trend. Can you fall off in a cheese? You're a dead girl, you know, you're a proper dead girl, you know. When me a little girl I grew up in a cheese, me used to watch you post people on Instagram and think you're that girl in a cheese. You're a proper dead girl, you know. When me say proper dead girl, I mean proper dead girl. Proper dead girl. Proper dead girl. You're the only girl me see with vybz kartel see. A million girl in the building and vybz kartel walking and see you. And you just dead so. You see that make no sense? Tell me which girl or which Batman you used to beef with over Instagram where them a live better, where you a live better than them in a foreign. No Batman, no girl. I live worse than a foreign cheese. If I me like your cheese, me deport myself for Jamaica. I wouldn't make nobody deport me. You know, some people they are foreign and things are going for them and they make them look money. You know them the people make sense. But cheese them if you deport yourself. You see every girl business and also say you don't even have a baby daddy, you look hungry. Ever see you look when they pan live all a cook? You look like a mad girl. Anyways, who else guys? Give me them name, my love. Give me them name. Who next? Who next guys? Who next? Who next? Come to the whole media flip upside down and jump upside down like what? Donia. Me not have nothing against Donia. Listen, me not fuck man. So me not expect Donia to find me fuckable, lookable, sick. Me not fuck man. When Donia see me as a man in my eyes, that's nice. Cause me not like when man, even when man admire me, that get me ignorant. I don't like man admire me. Me like when man look at me like a man. So that way, you won't put no argument to me and your cocky won't stand up for me. That's why my power repair Batman. Enough people must always wonder like, why Sky always power with Batman? Batman now look me. Batman now beg me pussy. So yeah, me feel comfortable having Batman friend is the truth. Me and a Batman can reason. Me and a Batman can talk. Me a fuck pussy, them a fuck Batty. Yeah. Me and them can relate. Them a fish, me a mermaid. And them me love par with. Me not really love par with straight man. Cause guess what, you see when you're straight, and me hear a nice song start play and me ready to stay, so boom, 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 boop, your cocky a stand up. Me no fuck man. So when man find me look like a man and a gorilla and a blood clot, Santa Claus, Jesus, Spanish cross, me no feel no way. Cause I don't fuck man. You know if you understand, me like when man see me as a man. Remember me I don't like Shay where see the umbrella and go under it. Remember me it's not like Shay where see girl and fuck girl and go follow. Remember me born that way here. Remember when me a 7 never watch blues no know nothing. Me a eat crutches no know what me a do. Remember me born that way here. Me no follow nobody out there with girl. Me no see a trending thing and follow. You don't have to get the difference. So when man not see me certain way, I tease them and clap. Sister me depend like so thank you. I understand. But differently me rate down here.
Cheese I get it to people. And when it comes to like the famous girls them on social media certain way, Cheese me don't know if she don't really like take up this thing or have a good work ethic. But behind the scene Cheese I make her money more while you know people. So you can't really say Cheese not now go on for Cheese when you don't see Cheese on the media cause Cheese make money off I scene, you see it?
Me see one screen recording when Donia say he might give me a dose and make one medicine. Me not see nothing wrong with that. Me always in the people in business. So if Donia feel like he want to troll me or get the girl them to troll me not see nothing wrong with that. Alright, me they live. You understand? So, me not see nothing wrong with that. Number one. I mean, I don't have no problem with Donia. Who else said something about the diamond? Let me know. Who else? Who else said something about me? Zoom and I said nothing about me. I'm not getting no send screen recording come. We don't talk about Vanny already. All I have to say about Vanny is I am disappointed in Ivany. I'm not because Vanny neither. I'm not because Vanny. Because I say I can't believe you make shade. You make shade. Come tell us say what? People are chatting on my group. Nobody in chatting on my group, girl. And the fact say Vanny, I go use where Donia said 2 weeks ago or a week ago when men are playing. I said, Donia, you remember you say, about Sky Diamond, I go follow out, and then she in our group. And Vanny did not even say what she said for the first 2 different things I say. You say me have people are chatting in my group. Then we see one next screen recording with you and Zuma when you say me are chatting with you are with you are Donia. When you say me are chatting in my group, you say 2 different things. Say make me even not think I say I want never reason Vanny I look for vex with my father God because this now make no sense. That's somebody say so, oh you have kids, how is that your business? If me want fuck and have 1 million people, me I beg your pampas, me I beg your feeding, me I beg your roof to put over them head. Eh? So even if me have 1 million people, what that have to do with my conversation I really talk about. And I wish Moderator pin that. And you say I wish Moderator pin that. Me remove you as my Moderator. Because I realize I will put fake people that pan it up. All your Moderator them can be your enemy. Don't your Moderator them can be your fucking enemy, bro, on this thing called TikTok. Because look on Vanny, where say she go block and delete me. For my enemy come and show her. Say look at this chat, when was the date? You know see me a chat, you know see nobody in my group a chat you. But you're ready for block and delete somebody where every day me and the panel media with fake self I call one another Bestie. Because I two we fake your fuck. We have to be fake. For somebody where I two we enemy. Come and show you. Chat here. You understand? And that's the reason why. Cancel that Moderator. I don't see how would do it. I need to clean up my Moderator list too. Because someone don't have no loyalty. No loyalty we don't have. Well, if I want to expect if you click my live today and cuss Vanny, me not going to cuss you because I did have you as my friend. You never have me as your friend. Me did have you as my friend, so I'm not going to cuss you. I just talk about where the pan media, where you put pan the media. Because after she do that, you could have called me. So me address where already the pan media, where you, my so-called internet bestie, put pan the media. The time when you sit down with Donia, them a discuss where she say, you could have called me. You could have called me. And of course I feel away. You know why I feel away? Because 99.9 time you make it on the FYP on TikTok. And every time the people I'm ready for bring you down in my group and come in my group, I don't business them. If them are my only gift up on my life, I block them and remove them out of my group. Everybody in my group can testify for that. When you just start, the only fans are over 700 people me have to take out of my group because of you. Because I think me and you cool. Just because I think me and you cool. Me remove girl where I say, oh Sky, me give you my hard earned money and you take me out of group for dirty Vanny. Wait till Vanny ready for this year. So yes, me feel away. Of course me feel away. Of course me feel away. You always up on the FYP trend. Whether with no matter, you always do something on TikTok to make it in our group. That is what my group is about. what is happening on TikTok, what is taking place on TikTok. And every time you come in at the group, I diss the people and I remove them out of my group. For you. And you allow somebody where you know me eat like poison. Somebody where you know I'm my enemy, bro. Somebody where you know I'm my enemy, they must feel away. For come say, look pan this, look pan it there. Where you see nobody in my group? Vani, tell me where they chat in my group. Say, alright. Since you paint this image like I'm such a fake ass bitch, I'm not a good friend. Me say me and you cool, I'm have people. When my group chat you say? Tell the media when me allow my group for chat you say. When the group chat you say. Cause after me see screen recording and me see where she put with Vani, me go back in my group, me a scroll and say when this going on the group, me a scroll. Weeks and weeks me have to scroll to find the fucking some of the girl I show. And more than 3 weeks ago. You remember when you go on live with that boy there? I want girl screenshot it and send it and say, like you like the boy. And then I say you have a type. How is that chatting you? You and me have a conversation pan like all the time. Once you are trend, people are going to talk about you. Once you're there on the media, people are going to talk about you. Come on time, me there on the same scream and chat Rosealee and I say, why she have a problem when people talk about her? Because she got there on the FYP. So, oh, you come and do the same thing. How you come and do the same thing? And every time I'm free, I'ma check my group and nobody say nothing bad boy, I'ma make them know them can't talk about you in my group. I'ma remove them. I know at least 3,000 people can testify for me because one of my group have 800 odd people, one have 700 odd people, one have 300 odd people. Put everybody together. Them been there and them know. Them know this. Them know this. Me not have no whole heap of shoot and a whole heap of shoot and me lose for you. Because them feel like say through them a shoot for me, them can come in on my group and disrespect blood clot you Vani. I'ma tell them can't do that. I mean I have much shoot already. So yeah, me go feel that way. Of course me go feel a blood clot way. You can't believe blood clot share nothing no go so. When my group chat you say, what when my group say about you? You know why I fuck up thing about you? It's when you don't rate a girl and a girl violate you don't feel no way. But it's when you rate somebody or you think somebody rate you back and then fuck up you feel away. And that's a one right now.
They want everything.
And so they stay because you see anybody when they see up there are some people will look good at people wait. Me don't know why they always
They always plan up them in their plan.
I go a girl if you go man, a lizard looking blood clot girl. I want to hold you, see girl. I chill no more and hold you.
Me not don't go through the group yet. I'll die, man. Me dear.
I hold somebody for you. Tell me I tell you that.
Me I don't go through it yet, but me still in the same way. Me I look where I go on. Well,
alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. People, a long time Sky Diamond I look at Wasp on social media still, you know. And me can't like say boy, you know, say them not for real, they not for play. You see me? To each his own. People do what they want, do them face them consequences, them read them play. You see me? Remember say she did one of the person them where did I expose Jabas and I say yo until them I say she build the female will come out and say Jabas Ray. You see me? Them I say she make up the character, they know them say a Rosealee. So me see why Jabas maybe I put her down certain way. So make watch some more my people.
I'm playing a voice note, yeah.
Oh, I thought it was this one. Because the time I sit down and come in a people group or take time to look in a people group, she go look for sure. She go take time and find sure. Big foot shape from Belgium because you promise me one lick, you know. Anytime you come back to Europe, you have to lick out my blood clot. You have to.
This so like Toko Loco and Batty Boy in America. Toko Loco, like how you dip on the live and see what I go on. Me done in there already. What I go do? Take me out? Me done reaching there.
Oh, I thought it was
But
this one.
so they can't take out
Time when she sit down and come in a people group or take time to come in a people group, she go look for sure.
I'm still I got in the same way. That nothing to do with me. Yeah. What you say now, Jabas?
But man, so they all they don't know you.
No, they don't know me.
Oh.
They don't know me. When they crash out in, they go and crash out.
Also, the India's advice right now.
Hey, make them go and crash out, Jabas. Load. Load them, chat. Load them. Blow them, chat. Talk loco. Anytime you come back to Europe, because you never get your asylum in the Netherlands, and you go America. So anytime you come back in Europe, anything you want to talk local, you're fine. Make me go down that road. They're so good, boy. Make me take it down in Europe. Of course. I'm ready. Anytime you're ready, you have to promise me that my blood clot. You have to promise me that so good. Anytime you're ready, I'm ready. Come we take it down now. Yeah.
No, post it here, eh?
Me will take it down. No problem. Oh. Me I make them crash out in there. Crash out. Hey. Watch out. One type. Straw. I deal with them as a trot. Them upset with me again, Lord Jesus. The girl am gonna murder me now. The girl am gonna murder me in a trap. Make them upset again. Them gonna murder me and time them see me now. Lord Jesus, a pure lick me gonna get now. I'm tired. Alright. I'm gonna see who for group next. Wait. The group. Shh. Don't say nothing.
Shane.
Eh?
What do you want to say? No pussy, you know.
Eh?
No pussy, you know. Yo, when I said on the daily heart me, when I go every day and see about people name like on a leash, brother.
Well, I'm I get added in our next group.
Alright, go on in the shit. I can't come from here for no one, because I look down, but I don't stop it. I don't care about people and say I do a scam, and they tell like bang about grape. And nothing more we say, I say me power gunman and I do crime. Nothing else when I say, all of that is a fucking piece of liar. But when I go and I call people, because I don't step on interviews, step on people like on a leash. This staple go suck your soldier manhood, girl. And come on from my life, go suck your soldier manhood. Marvin, what go on? Marvin, what go on? They just sit up on people blood clan name. Love, what happened? I'm still there, so I live my life. That is life. That is
It's just a boring chat. You know the other one you're boring. Me not like that one there. That one are too boring. Why are boring?
So me love when they, I say, yo, me love when girl if you try to dig up 5 people and can't find it.
That one you boring. The other one nicer. That one you boring though. One or two boring. Me like the other one.
So where's the shade? They bring down, they try to bring down Vanny in there.
Then bring down Vanny clit in there. Then bring down her say the next victim in there. But she and the woman are friend Jabba, so me never expect that.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, man, see, but me girl, me not a problem with that. I never my girl from the first half because if a man can just pull up on a jack girl out of me hand and go with girl. We want me to go fight man over girl. And when we don't fight, the girl still decides to him I go with. Or with the blood clot.
You can't tame for true.
What you want me to do?
Oh, she sit on every day upon Bestie. Bestie! Are you hear the girl? Head upon Bestie!
I never my girl. I never my girl from first half because I wrote me go with girl. I never really my girl. Okay, if I my girl a big war out of that blood clot. Oh. So I never my girl.
Bestie!
Tell her that.
Silent it. I hypocrite them, dirty people them. Me look for them.
We can't do for the I plan bunga. I mean, that problem.
Alright, my people, let me know what you think in the comment section. Make you watch some more.
No, you Bertie Adar.
Oh, sorry. So what do you think of Adam share? That's why I'm never.
Who a blood clot liar Jabas?
Jab.
And they come like you want a piece of family. And you just tell me truth and done, girl.
Jab. Don't be sad.
You like it? Can't nobody have madness to them. Let me tell you the truth.
Don't be sad, Jab. Be glad.
Nobody come in the comment section and tell about nobody homeless. So look more people in the
Jab. You look like you're getting browned. Is that bleaching?
Yes, I am.
I see it, okay.
All the girls when me lose me, I get them back.
I notice everything about you, okay? Cool. Okay, Jab.
Can they manage this, I know?
No, I'm not trying to do that, Jab.
I'm gonna tell you.
One girl named, you know what that girl is? Oh, 1 million.
Jabba sleep majestic. Oh.
Can they have any more in our group? She don't want to tell you, let me tell you. Ivany. The girl everybody are bring down no pussy. Now our group.
Share. You see? The pum when me did have a leak 4 years ago.
Different pussy.
That pum, a different pum me have right.
Right.
You see, pum when me did have before, it split the long. In a long again.
You stitch it up now.
No, I no stitch up. It just gradually get shorter and it fatter now.
Oh, sure.
But remember I know share. Remember say them can't say me click long when me bend down for piece it up pick up dirt.
Right.
You know, so me click little and tiny.
Right.
I say no back a bump no dey pa me pum top.
No, it cleans.
Yeah, man.
It clean.
Yeah.
No, but true.
Me not see no bump still. Me not gonna lie. Me not see no bump. But the only thing me see do is like one drop fatter than the other.
No man, one jaw still fatter than the other right now for true. Me not tell her that. Come like I right. I left side look like it fatter than the other side. You know so me know why a problem. One time me used to go a river a lot.
Okay.
And when me used to go a river a lot in a share.
Yeah.
The water stuck in my ears. So me end up have to do a thing like a this a jump. Everything for one part exercise more than the other. Yes, so me a jump and knock out the water. So that jar end up a jump. Yeah.
Me understand.
Me just really figure it out.
Okay, me understand now. Okay. Right. You understand, Jabas? Why you don't understand?
Let me tell you something, Ken. To their son, I'm now
Jab, you ready to play their game? A serious game, you know?
No, some love.
What?
Their game cost me $22,000 a day. I don't people over.
I lie about it.
I lie.
You know, you want to jump on the phone?
So 22, so you're not gonna make back that. Yeah, woman.
I want whole powers to make that darling.
Me Iggy for you, you know.
Me Iggy for you too.
Iggy for you. Excuse.
What day they over a gas station I'm see you. Up never want to say something to you.
A lie. A what haba?
No, last night. 24 hour gas station.
Last night.
24 hour gas station. When they go buy something.
What haba? Oh, I sent Elizabeth.
Candy, how show go on last night, babes?
Which part you see me job?
How show go on last night, don't you go?
Oh, you mean me go over there go fuck up over that?
I'm a dog in now, but me there told I'm going to go out and say.
Fuck up over there. Job the last night.
I'm going to tell you, me get so early video. I'm going to tell you.
Job. What's up? What's up? You okay?
Yeah, baby, you okay?
What you doing right now?
Just standing up, having a little smoke and just chilling and looking at you and Shay, two beautiful girl on my screen, you know?
Okay.
You wanna come Kingston?
Huh?
You wanna come Kingston?
I'm in Kingston right now.
Wow, so you want a location?
Okay.
I think we can chill, like for an hour or two.
You wanna battle?
Like pillow fight?
Yeah.
No, we're gonna battle together with Shay too.
Oh, no problem about that. You're running from the convo.
Huh?
You're running from the convo.
Oh, the conversation. I thought we were quite finished.
We're not finished, darling.
Oh, wow, you don't say.
We're just getting started, baby.
Okay, well, say stuff then.
I hate my head, rub and so cream, man, because I can't reach my back.
Oh, your hand too fat.
Fat,
You have to put the cream around there, so. Put one heap of cream around there and go so. And stretch. And rub it. So.
Candy, your hand look good behind the back like that. And some of them sit there behind the back, two hands in one time.
Oh, big up. Big up.
Candy, girl.
The boss man like you for date slimmers. My body too big. Your belly for me body and I go work together.
No, sir, I don't take Candy, man. Alone, pan back here, please, man.
Man, not go work. But just not really work.
Pull you up a bed, it's Candy, man. How hard you put it.
Yeah, man, cool. Big up. Yeah, man. Cool.
I don't want to ask about nobody, brother. You know, you may look pussy in there.
You going to ask about JD?
Yeah, you know.
Alright, my people, as I say, I don't talk much, so let me know what other thing, we can watch some more.
As a man. So, alright then, uno na make play their game.
No, we can play some match.
I come to play 1-1-3, you know. Oh, me forget to Jayden I got a party.
Party.
He ma got Maya party.
Maya party?
Sip is an event. Like a sip and paint event. So wait. You know a 6 a friend? Come go play 3-way. Oh.
Dali, what one?
Hi. Hi.
No one.
Me there.
Stop fucking man.
Jabas, why you silent, son?
Don't, I'm first call to you.
Eh?
I'm first call to you, darling.
Oh, but me say hi to everybody. And you know,
No, I ain't supposed to say wagwan for two.
Eh?
You play 4-way?
Yeah.
Let me say it now. Big man, big man.
No, with Jadis.
Yeah, boy, I like your more than boy, you want 3 pound one.
Me see it here. I'm messing with the Ross.
Dali, bro, no, Dali.
I want my while ago and accept my press. Wait, come here, the car.
I rang one designer, man, yo. You know, how long do you have big and no know if it's the right one, man? Can't see something, man. Come, say something, man. I can't see something, man. Say, man, chat.
So why you want to be the next one? Do we catch double there?
Chat double chat.
Right,
That first double.
Company double, please.
First give double material. First give double material.
First gift double chat.
Last night, I achieved that before they get one lion, you know.
What's my job coming?
You feel sad for her, feel sad for who?
Derek, catch up
thank you, mommy. My nice, clean sister, thank you. Feel sorry for who you feel sad for? Every day you come here, you feel sad for people, and people better than you. Dali, why? Dali, why do you say they feel sad for you for?
I'm pregnant.
So why then I feel sad for you pregnant? I must happy if you're happy.
I got doctor yesterday, them service.
Hold on. Boy, some of the life ease up, them bike riding, but what you say?
My cervix is open. That can damage the baby.
Oh God,
So then I'm going to teach it. Yeah,
sorry for you about that, darling. I pray God lock your service here.
Well, the man can go through some things, you know, brother. I don't know.
I know, like, man. Yesterday, my ball all yesterday to today.
6 rose chat.
6 rose chat.
Oh man, if I got to
Tap them with the sun roads now, please.
I heal like that.
Tap, no man, come like me for come
If they say, wait, baby, let me just be there. Chat.
No, not right. Something not right.
So, 2 more somebody in my
We
youth.
want more.
Thank you.
Tata triple this chat.
6 rolls, guys.
Tata triple this. Jay, me ready
Man
for
says
some
big
boy.
thank you. You should have waited upon the double.
And I'm saying sharp. Chat triple chat. They're gonna some kind of chat. Chat trip. Triplip. Chat wall. Chat wall. Chat wall. Buy one get two. Buy one get two.
Chat triple.
Chat.
Somebody can put up the
I'm going to go away and come now.
Heaven sent, thank you.
Triple.
My youth, use up a chip on chat and tap on the
I wanted to go back to read.
Now for pity that, you know. She was missing. Okay. Oh, Italian Ross. Them said this need for a court. Somebody say, mastermind say, wanna send cute boss in here. Stacy say, this really need for a court for real. Cute boss a whore and so come the little girl. A BS. This sound like a pure big woman them in a group. 1332. I wouldn't big woman here. Stacy 1754. Dan Rai 1658. Me find the whole on, you know. Me find the whole on, man. No worry. I mean I can put out everything on TikTok. Everything. On the name, address, everything me I put out right there, so. Everything, man. Me I find the whole on. I don't do call the police for me. Call the police, man. Bree 1347. Alright. Sexy Steph 1917. Alright. I want to run yourself, man. I will want to compare, man. My dear. So why Roger go like him love man more than me? Bree said that. Alright, what is memory them here? Sky hide my ID. Yes, Mr. Raja. Pick him up when I used to work there. Pinoka Batman from long time. I know him. He usually live at Shortwood Lane, but he end up leave to indulge in batty business. All your number go to, you know, since you know so much. My dear, let me read the group. Your own friend come talk. Raja used to pick you up when he used to work at Alcorica. How are you so? Alcorica, my dear. Reading a group chat. Up, you know, them saying what's your name there. What that girl name? Mystic. Mystic in a group. Fuck up. All man in the group, bro. Watch man, dog. Up, you know. 1754. All man in the group. Mirror soul. Leave my group. Don't diss my people, okay? I wish Nessa that. Hold on. Let me see your number. Nessa Bling on TikTok. It said Nessa Bling. Hold on there. I wish Nessa them attack. Nessa leave my group and don't diss my people them, okay? Oh God, that's so many people in this group, yeah? Ricky bad. All man in here, you know? All Ivan, watch ya. Ivany, Jesus Christ. You bestie up people in the group chatting here, you know? I don't like this fire. Arnella Henderson. Jodian. Arnella Henderson. Me like that name, yeah. Quicker for find you. Me like this. No, man. Ivany, you best to them chatting. You best to have people in the group bringing it down, you know. I don't like this fire, girl. You really don't have no friends. No, sir. I wanna find them time, yeah.
Italian something.
Me people, me don't know why these persons always a build a group and a chat people, you know. And them know say them can't trust even them closest on TikTok. You see me? So me go watch some more me people, cause boy, cha-cha.
Dear. All people pitney and sending another group here, you know. Me blood clad. Whoa. Me Ross. Me love. Raja, this is Raja. Alright. I know who them here now. I don't know them here people if you soon yourself tell me. If you soon yourself tell me. What are people in here so? My dear. We have to put out the whole of them number, yeah. We have to put out the whole of them number, yeah, chats. We have to put out them number, yeah. Sorry. We're going to put out all of them number. We don't have time, man. Jamaica 1240. What are your code at? 1240. Shandy's 1954. Where you live? I must find you. As long as America live, make it quick for find you. It's okay. No problem. No problem. As long as America live, I'm safe with me. Trust me. Bitch, you're safe with me. Oh my God. Dante. It's at England, 447. Okay. Who you know? Okay. Kevin. I'm man in the group too? That's crazy. James. James and Jayden live. 1929. Alright, I have to find you. Don't worry. You bitches live in America, man. It's okay.
Anybody in a group with like triple leave no. Anybody in a group with like ugly leave no. Anybody with like big cocky baby balls, tough man looking blood clot triple with our 10 poor with Afghan and our man we are fucker we don't want to in a group leave no. Come out of the group. Warn me want to triple in a group. Everybody in a group is supposed to bring down triple R.
A baby come on in there now.
You can triple when you have to send in a group and you can text with them privately. Anything you know can triple any X man, any video, anything. When you know to find triple X, get receipt can triple when you have to send in a group and you can text with them privately. Anything you know can triple any X man, any video, anything.
Right. Throne. Who is Throne? 1404. Alright. That girl when you bring her, bring her down on her life. Alright. Jamaica. Alright. Dante Nippy. Who is Dante Nippy? Stacy 1754. Think we can find Uno. Dance girl, you there Jamaica.
Italian something.
So Sky, oh you have your people that might chat your bestie Ivany in the group. That's crazy. What? What the fuck? Don't assume hey, them girl hey, when I pies up by you know. I'm afraid I don't know. Ivany next it. She don't learn, she not learn her ass. Don't girl say she not learn her ass. I'ma see who send it. Tamika say Ivany next it. So Sky, oh you have them people in the group that chat your bestie. When I pies up by you, I'm afraid I wouldn't, I don't want a friend. When I pies up. Ooh, that girl say she not hear. What is 1876? Oh, Jamaica this. Sammy say, me tired her man, kiss my teeth. So you have people that might chat your bestie. Me not like that. That is wrong. James Taylor 1929. Mastermind Jamaica 1876. God's favorite 1214. She needs to pay attention. Me can't Sweetie Pie 1876 say me can't take the crash out again. My dear. Oh, Jesus. Who for daughter this? Who for pitney this? Anybody know that little girl here? Lord Jesus. Now for pitney that you know. She was missing. Okay. Oh, Italian Ross. Them said this need for a court. Somebody say, Mastermind say, wanna send cute boss in here. Stacy say, this really need for a court for real. cute boss a whore and so come the little girl a base. This all like a peer big woman them in a group. 1332. I wouldn't big woman ya. Stacy 1754. Dan Rai 1658. Me find the whole on you know. I find the whole on man, no worry. I mean I can put out everything on TikTok. Everything. On the name, address, everything me I put out right there so. Everything man, me I find the whole on. I don't do call the police for me. Call the police man. Bree 1347. Alright, Sexy Steph 1917.
Boy, my people, every time them build group share funny. So we're going to move on to the next and all my people because we have more things to share with you now.
Alright. I want yourself, man. I will want to compare, man.
And it never named Bumbleclad series, you know, until Uno come in, bro. Look out for Bumbleclad Rebel and Swiss. You feel like a two careless people them there? Look for Bumbleclad Rebel and Swiss. You feel like a two careless people them there, bro? You know, I got turn over here, so bro, and what you know, disrespect it, bro. You don't do that, bro. Then you go and try hiding the hand, bro. Cause what kind of video that you're that really repost, diamond? What kind of video that you're that really repost, bro? You see it? What kind of video that you're that repost, bro? Bro, me not have nothing against you, you know. The only somebody would have said me have something against you, Nana Rosalie, you know, when she make Wally Pataka, but his story, but whatever, you know, bro. You see it? But other than that, bro, me no know none of friend, no, if a bad man, you know, bro. Bro, if you don't feel checking, I check on the feel youth. On the feel checking, dog. That means you did that, bro. You did that, bro. And I reason with yourself or whatever, bro. And I talk about. Because all you have to repost that. That means you're not chat then, bro. Bro, me not meds on the bridging. I've Bumbleclad Wasp start our life now. And this you. And say you're old man. You're going to say what's love problem. Bro, no stop. Do things and I hide in the hand, dog. And this is, and I either in a car, your blood clot, your comment pan it, fire. Your comment pan it, fire. So that means you agree with the dog I say. And in the video, the dog I say, yo, we are going to find something from one pass and bring it up, come bring it down. Come bring down Wasp. That the dog say in the video, you know, you repost it to, you know, as a woman, you know. As a woman. If you that is me, you don't understand. You see it? If you that is me, you say, okay, understand. But you're a woman youth. What's not trouble on the dog? One thing we do, and on a girl over here, so you see, over here, so all is selective when it come on to woman power, bro. I tell you that. Me make on it again. Come on, I want to see me and start my problem now, bro.
Come to your mama to Jayden, me I tell you, brother, go so come to your mama and go look for your family, then abandon your batty boy. And you say you're a refugee, you're blood clot Benzema, and go so come to your mama and come on for app where help a girl marketing cream and sell him bomb buckler cream them. And no one come over here about series. Nobody not approve that. Nobody not approve that. And before we make run up in a road space, we bring on a dog day and night. We bring on the down day and night. So could Wasp Benzema. If you feel like say you're gonna sit down over here, so act retarded and slow like what you've been doing, and go on like you don't know what go on, you have something else coming. You have blood class, something else coming. We can't tell you that. Cause Rosealee now gonna make you run up in our space and all that. And we will support Rosealee verse and all that shit. We're gonna bring her down so good guys. So if I forgot to go two things from we when, we're gonna do it.
You hear that? You hear that? But if I dig up thing from way back when, we are going to do that for bring it done. And I repost that as a woman, Diamond. You repost that as a woman. Yo, man, I got this in you know. And I got disrespect you, Diamond. And I got disrespect you, darling. You see it. Because somebody with me rate, you know. You see what I say? There's somebody with me rate. But that move there, I don't like that move there. I tell you straight. I don't like that move there, Diamond. I tell you honest truth. You see it. I don't go this or and talk about no senior citizen, bro. I don't go this or that. Because being whatever age Diamond be is a blessing. You see it. I don't go this or, bro. You see me I say?
Some people are start the foolishness start already. I just last night the lion man go out with the girl, you know, and the foolishness start already. And me the thing say, a Rosealee did I go kick it off, see it there Diamond start it. So if you figure it out, have some things to say, I'm gonna make no ear. So if you share have some things to say to the lion man, my people, because here I go and they say TikTok, as me tell you, say TikTok can be like fake, you know, my people. But when you play with money and ego, these youths, them got money and them have a big ego. You see me I say? So anything can happen. You know what I mean? Me say it can be fake, but it can be really real also. And enough of the time, we don't know whether I play them or play a serious thing. You see it? So we can watch some more.
Cause if me this bro, it all go just look the same. You see it? So you know me no sense. Me not this bro. You see it? Yes, you come in the video, bro. It good, bro. You see it? But now, me I tell you, now I get a response for what I tell me, I tell you, now I get it, bro. What's not trouble on the youth? What's not trouble you? What's not soon, dog? You see it? Chat, don't give me no art me there, guys. What's not trouble in a youth? You know, just love the girl, bro. Jean, big up. Give me no at me, guys. Was humble, bro. A girl humble your fuck dog, I swear, bro. Let's see if Was did come over here, so bro, and I disrespect people and them things that bro would I say, alright, them have a right for this hour, you see it. But you don't have no right for this the girl, bro. Master, big up. Tell me about why you not help promote, why you not help promote the girl business, why you not help promote whatever business, bro, or whatever. But you know, plan up together for go in a series for buckler. Bro, come on now, man. What kind of plan up thing in our talk about, bro? Me tell you some me I was I go to series, bro. I've never come on here and say, yo, me and I good. And bro, me not do things so neither, bro. You see it? Me not do things so, bro. Me rather come on here, so, bro, and take whole heap of disrespect more than if I go there now and space with somebody who me not like or love just for money, dog. Me not thanks for you. I tell you that, bro. Rather come on here, so, bro, and take whole heap of disrespect, pan. Yes, sir. Cause me know so when the life done, I eat that for me, bro. Me now see them people here, bro. But if you go say, me I go move in with somebody, bro. If you say me I move in with somebody, bro, and I live with people, but me not want to live with for true. I mean, I like them for true. It's like we not force on each other for like on each other, bro. Me not do them thing, the father. Me not do serious, bro. Me have to fuck you. For real. Me I fuck you for real. Tell me I tell you that. Me not do serious. Me would have you go in your bumbuckler pussy for true. Me not just get up and say bumbuckler, I'm serious, bro. Me not do them thing there, bro. Don't feel like you can this woman, bro. And then you don't want to try I don't know on youth. Cause we see it, youth. Nah, go like me not see it, boy. Me see it. Yeah, me see it, man. As me say, me not go disrespect Diamond. You see me I say, all I want Diamond do, I just love something alone, darling. And focus on the series. You see it? Focus on the thing, bro. Now go on good. Continue focus on your thing, bro. You see it? Come when the pressure come down upon you, you know, youth. Me I tell you, you know. Now go like the pressure will come down upon you, you know. I tell you that. Yeah. I tell you that, youth. Lord the girl alone, bro. Stop block the people and make the people them chat whatever they want block, bro. I'm telling the dog, don't block nobody, bro. Me say no sit down and chat the girl, bro. Bro, me not sit down and chat to you, youth. When the live are ending, I don't give a fuck about TikTok, you know. I don't want to know disrespect her, bro. Don't come try do no reposting thing. Cause the girl not disrespect her, bro. Stop show shades, dog. For now, this is girl and this is girl. Me there so we turn up Chang behind her. one can't bully her now. Me there in a pussy. None of you can't bully her now. I tell you from now. And this thing what I go on, bro, me kind of mature. Me kind of mature on this thing at all. You see, me go through some experience and I learn how to deal with most situation. You see it. So this a Jayden now, bro. It can handle any situation right now. I tell you that. If it's evenly in a goodly manner or a roughly manner, you see it. If it's a real life, we deal with it too. I mean, no one see me grow up, dog. Lower the girl alone, bro. I wanna feel chatting, dog. You feel chatting? I wanna feel chatting. Only remember say, if you not talk about me, I plan for take on the only remember say, me no need for group of take down, no. Remember that. I mean, I'm three for take down nobody, bro. Cause me can't stop phone people them from support, you know, and who can't stop my people them from support me, bro. You see it. And me alone, me no need nobody. If you not talk about me, a group up, bro. Me no need serious for do them thing there, bro. Me not prove that too much time already, youth. This me. You better know this me. You see it. This me. Me can't take it. Load the girl out tight, bro. As me say.
Alright, my people, let me know what you think and make you watch some more.
Again, bro. Me not do serious. If me like somebody, me like them for true. If no hood not going on no hole, me not go feel good. Cause money alone can't me feel good. Tell me, I tell you that. Me have to get pussy too. And this thing I wanna come with youth. This thing I wanna come with make you feel like say uno alone, uno own the app, bro. Or you own the app. Been there, done that before, bro. And I did real thing, bro. Cause would go in a wall for me. Been there, do that, bro. You see it. And I feel like I want to do it again. I feel like I want to do it again. Me not rush nothing. Me not plan nothing. I gotta do work. Naturally, bro. Naturally. No need to plan nothing, bro. Naturally.
Yeah, me slowly I get to hate you all of them over here saying, I said everything them watch, them mix up. I said they mix up enough for everything in one. Me slowly I get to hate you all of them over here.
I never know so me can't repost again a backside.
They wanna get up and I go on a self problem. I don't say, you know, a rose and diamond, I stand for him. I say, I don't know nothing more than me just repost. Yeah, man, listen for me.
No, sir, I mean dog attack. I mean attack.
Not that thing, me not do.
A blood clot Jake's dog attack, you see?
Yeah, I deal with one like I the security for rose.
Life serious sometime.
Huh?
Let me take life serious sometime.
No, but the dog, not, let me tell her, I don't mean attack, I can't mean attack. I don't mean dog attack shit. May I tell her?
Oh, him did their number one the other day, cover reason. Him did their number one the other day, and you take him down?
Me not take him down, me take number one.
Okay then, so obviously you take him down. So who go number one the other day and end up taking him off of the podium?
I mean.
I know GX, it have to be you. Because the competition the other day, it was GX, Rosealee, and Short God. So you never in another one there. So who take him up? No more say Jay? Yeah, you in my talk, bro. You take him off. It must be a one and you take him down from the one and give him two. So obviously you in my talk. I know GX. Read between the lines. Who take him off for number one the other day? Who run him down from podium?
Yeah, so me just start me life, me that say, when me just start me life, me did that say, hold on. Then me did tell figure it out, say figure number one. And that me say, you know. But the man them supposed to know, sir.
You don't see that joke it off.
Yeah, everybody knows that joke me I make, but me did not go take it. Yeah. There's no, bro, nobody out there could top it, for me take it. Only somebody could have top it and a Short God, bro. You see, but me did that joke, but me that go take it for true. Cause me like the competition, bro. I because the dog make a talk what day. And the dog did say, I was once a king. You see. So that's why I see him up there, me I say, alright. Yeah. I think TikTok not that serious, bro.
What me not understand? Everybody else can run them joke and troll on TikTok, but when it come on to you, appear death threat and who a go kill it from who a go kill it and who a go get it from who a go get it and this like me not really understand the internet like everybody can run them joke and troll, but when it come on to you, it's like a peer threat. Me really not I try to understand it because it a confuse me.
Police, me not sure. Me like
because him can troll and say you're once the king and you say to yourself say, well me I once the king when me I go take it or whatever. It's joke. It's all fun and jokes. But when since TikTok become be a threat of sin and man I go send go me really not understand what going over here. Me kinda lost to everything. Me lost.
Guys, no violence. I don't stop with them
things. I fear violence. Me not understand really a go on the internet.
Special what? Chat on no bother with the violence. We can't bother with the violence. This is only TikTok.
Because over here is all fun and jokes and game. Until you no reach who are go get it from everybody a beg. The whole of we a beggar. It's just who beg and put their money to you. Some of them know what TikTok too serious, bro. Because all me see this thing I go on now, and me can't, what if me talk truth, me can't talk truth. All me see that thing I go on now, maybe Jayden intimidated, maybe I'm intimidated by him. So me see it, me don't know. I just say, no one nobody beat me for me saying. I think y'all are intimidated by him, I don't know, maybe.
Me never figure it out, yes.
If we talk truth, we can't talk truth, me don't know.
Me can't proud this.
Me don't know when this reach out.
Me never figure it out yet.
Me never hear you call him Batman yet. Me never hear you style him yet. And Rosie always a cuss.
Yeah.
If we talk truth, and Rosalie always a cuss.
Yeah,
me never hear you style him yet. And if nobody on TikTok tell no lie, say them ever hear your style, me never hear your style them yet. And Rose, you always a cuss, and me ever say, me no business, me tell you, pan the phone, and me tell you, pan TikTok, Jayden, I don't care about you and Rosealee. Because when you and I just don't cuss, you no go and play a match again. Me no business about the two, I don't know. Me never try to put my mouth in a yarn. I'm not business with you and her. Cause the 200 that on screen again. But me never ever hear your style you them yet. I tell you every day now.
But people, tell me what you think. Me I run through the rest of this.
It's not everybody will smile with you, real with you, you know. Come see figure it out and all of them smile up with you, you know, bro. And them, dog, be careful, bro. Me I tell you that, bro. Me I tell you that. Be careful of them people up on the internet. Stop go around them. Stay far from them, dog. Them my people are bad mind for any little thing, bro. Me I tell you that, bro. Be careful of them people upon the blood clot internet to so them smile and laugh with you. That's why I don't want none near me, you know. I don't even want me too, you know. For sure, yeah, I'm glad I'm far from money, you know. I don't want none near me, you know. But you saw them people laugh and smile with you. But you don't know deep down them are pray you differently, Jayden. You feel listen sometime, dog. You feel listen, bro.
What am I praying for?
You don't know. You run joke, but what is joke to you is dead to a next man. So you probably there start run your joke and a troll and a go on. But them take it to a different level. Me don't know why ghosts go follow you and I don't know why.
Are them alone for run joke?
And you still, that's why I tell you how you don't take it. Sometimes if you take either and listen, dog.
No, me I hear you,
yeah, take life serious at one point, bro. These people don't like you. And at that moment you're having in your head. These people don't like you. Oh, my gifting suspending for 10 minutes. That's why. These people don't like you. And you need to wake up, smell the coffee, and sister, these people don't like you. Them not like you. And you need to learn. Them not like you. So here what you do. You play hypocrite on the internet with everybody. But you see in real life, me no want you link up with no man. Them not like you. Not trust them. Stop trust them people. Stop have them around your Jayden. You have to protect your peace. And stop make these bag of people know where you live and so meet them out the road. And that me I tell you, meet these people at roadside, meet them out the road. And if I stop in the case, you stay far from them because them don't like you. Because I can't believe that the whole on did so good and then the whole on turn by each other and then you are run joke and them take it serious like life not so serious, bro. You can't run no joke. The moment you start to run joke, everybody want to kill you. Everybody want to kill you all of a sudden. Everybody want to send threat to you. Everybody want to see you fall. These people don't like you, dog. Learn to roll by yourself, bro. Stay far from them people that are evil, you know, dog. May I tell you that, you know? You hear me, I want you, Jayden? Stay far from these people. Stay far from them. Me no want you go nowhere. No take nothing from nobody. No link up with none of them. Make them stay with them. They not like you. I'm hope your sister them not like you. You see, Bradley say them not like you for true. No matter how you run joke with them not like you. They don't. Them smile and laugh with you because what? You have a name. Them don't like you. Stay far from them, dog. Stay far, bro. Them not like you, dog. Stay far from them people here. When them have them little income, make them go on. Stay to yourself, bro. I bet you link TG and link some I go on. Stay by yourself. Leave them people alone, Jayden. Leave them. Them going to hurt you. Leave them. All of them people are your enemy. Money cause all of this on the internet. The whole on did good, all of a sudden the whole on. You alone. You everybody can run joke, but when you run joke, them take it as one threat. Everybody can troll, but when you talk, is that everybody want to kill you. For what? This don't make no sense. Me not see the sense in this. Because them know you as a jokey person. You don't take life serious. And them take everything what you do serious. It's not that serious. Number one, not that serious. Not everybody I make money same way. It no matter who go up on the podium, money still I make. So me not see what the bad man and the corruption for. Me not see the reason fee, bro. Who are run down, who offer number one, who it don't make no sense, dog. And money. The whole of we are make it. Una do too much things and I get away with it. And money, bro. The one I know one kill off for the one that over money. Number one, who got this? Who take me off for the podium? Who take me down? What the fuck, bro? The one on the cool, all of a sudden the one on live like dog shit. It's weird. And when I look now, if somebody come at Jamaica, Swiss come keeping party, the one on the link up, Jayden, they are tell you, dog, stay away from these people. They don't like you. Them don't like you. Stay far from them. You see, Aki man figure it out and the brother stay far from them, Jayden. You hear me? I warn you. Stay far from them. Okay then. May I end my live and come back chat?
Now it's your turn to name the color. What color's the sun? Yellow. How about the frog? Green. And the apple.
Hold on, Kitty.
Everything good.
Hold on.
How about a blue?
Chat, on no call figure it out.
But let me tell you something, bro. I mean, I say it one time. Me is no step on and me is no push over. Just say if you're not gonna spread the rumors and allegations for me, bro, when you come good. It's
As for some people, let me know what you think. We can watch some more.
no step on and me is no push over. Alright. Me no want chat to nobody, me no want no dealings with nobody, bro. No just allow me. Alright. I'm not come break down when me works hard for, you know. That me I telling you, yeah? But now come break down when me bill over yourself, bro. You better go on and allow me. Supposed to inner, so just go and call him. Just knock on the door and call him. Alright. Okay, how them you tell the brother? Program me? What are you tell watch me on your life for? Waka? Me say, oh boy. Hold on, chan. Set him and try to set me up, you know. Hold on.
Me can't repost and comment fire again. Me don't do nothing. Me just repost.
Me ask the comment section. Comment section, what you do?
I don't do nothing more than me repost and comment fire. I don't do shit.
Tell me what you do.
Here, so me go for it, tell them what me do.
Yeah, here if them go try to tell lie for you.
You talk delete for me now. Me don't do nothing more than repost. Not a thing.
Here who then say Wakos?
Yeah, me just repost something.
Listen to me now. I'm telling you one thing. Some man over here, bro, them do anything for clout, brother. We no business who want chat or who want say, brother. Some man in their own league. We not compete with no man. Some man in their own league, brother. You understand? We not look no trouble with no man, bro.
Me just repost. How much time I see people and how much time I see people like this? I'm see my.
Yeah, me slowly I get to hate you all of them over here saying. Me said everything them watch them mix up. Me said they mix up enough and everything in one. Me slowly I get to hate you all of them over here.
I never know so me can't repost again a backside wall.
But they wanna get up and I go on a self problem. I done so me say you know, a rose and diamond me stand for him.
Me say I don't do nothing. I don't do nothing more than me just repost.
Yeah man, me see phone.
Me I go say the video, me just repost and I do shit. Not a thing me not do. Me I go call me.
Diamond, how do you say I deal with man like I had the security for Rose last night?
Area.
River?
Video. You don't want nobody have video in the face now. You don't want to video in the face now. That's no fresh.
Yeah. Watch out now. Watch out now, chat. The app now belong to one smaddy. You all have we own the app here, yeah? I don't own no one app, brother. We don't own nothing over here, so the app are for everybody. If you don't want vex, you no vex. We don't run nothing over here, so bro. The app are for everyone now. I own no man.
No, you're a celebrity. You can't go from
You can't run from it though, but people supposed to a time and place to everything. Cause watch out sometimes people are overboard, you know.
You can't run from it.
No, walk up. You know see yesterday about 20 picture me take.
Stop camera for me, bro.
But just not do it without with permission.
No,
you see me? Yeah, dog, you ask first.
Stop camera for me and then you ask me.
You ask first, bro.
Disrespectful thing or that car.
No,
my sister there in the kitchen. I wear the UD. She come on the camera.
So now that me I say
try cook.
Yeah, try cook. No, you see.